your chaplain ni sa logistics or appointed sanko for we and no send that operations na ka bi wo dada.
Now now Christian Yohunu is deputy IGP, which means IGP you are on the whole. Okay. What it means is say me ba police for no more nyina COP wa hwan nyina no ono so rank no was so chair omo. It's like a vice president.
My any say on say ohwe Ghana we no manpanyin statement of the buyer no say upon advice or consultation meeting a police council no yeah.
Oh me
say obi kan sema
can the president appoint without consultation? He can't do it.
We know police council no take decision. So police council take a decision and to the president.
So police council na consult and catch the president say unto sanamo.
And then try say educate you a public no. Police council no one chairman
of the police council. Nobody, no, it is by convention. It is not by law.
And but this is whether convention or by law.
Now the vice president chairs the police council. Yes.
The interior minister comes in.
Yeah.
Then the
IGP say free anoba. Signed by Eugene, director of communication. Ababa Akwaba. Anopel Green FM. Yay. Ujinemo. President Akufo-Addo appoints COP Christian Tete Yohunu as deputy IGP in charge of operations. The president of the republic, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, has appointed Commissioner of Police Mr. Christian Tete Yohunu as the new deputy inspector general of police in charge of operations. This is the first ever deputy IGP. The appointment is pursuant to the advice of the police council at its meeting held today in 17 July, during which COP Yohunu exceptional credentials and dedication to duty were acknowledged. COP Christian Tete Yohunu is a distinguished law enforcement officer with a career spanning over 3 decades in Fiediasa and has held various key positions within the Ghana Police Service. President Akufo-Addo extends his heartfelt congratulations to COP Christian Tete Yohunu on his well-deserved appointment and wishes him the very best in the discharge of his duties. Okay. Deputy IGP in charge of operations means he is in charge of operations henceforth. Elections in Yinata Bibia.
Let him baby was say a meeting held today.
Andra.
Okay.
Oh, now they Pampania be the actually so a friend say, crony to say. Or Northern Regional. Ye meeting now. Watch me appoint to be to we delegate powers.
I can say IGP. Now do to me need you. Too many man of kind.
That's how I don't know in a deal. Okay, that is why I day.
And I'm saying to way no. What so once a more crown up a boy in I can say. Say a piece of my bag Ghana where you who say ya appointed deputy IGP.
I been see that.
Sompa FM.
And dear Basana.
Who for maybe a C.
Basana IGP. Enti on my media and pay on say a dynamic say. Sir committee report on the leak tape no. And in some PA no some Kotasunya. I was a neighbor that report no kwhum dia wakoto. Omo de call parliament omo kotwe won da we say men sign ye hu dia sa report na wakoto. Enti say omanpanyi wakonya say IGP bo na gina nchen. You can because ye IGP pia and say omanpanyi pia ba IGP nyini nyomunya no motenia no so. And this man no so by IGP almost 50 years, one of the youngest IGPs. Ayenya no. And you say omanpanyi wo ho kwan say when you know na asum you know and you can even reassign him. Obetima man akoya ambassador whatever. Now Tete Yohunu enya na asum je say pa rivalry e be koso a police headquarters any say. And you formally say yetimi ka say IGPA eye wadwuma dia ba fasi ho. O man all these conditions not so ntie dia because they come say o man election the impression cry will be create say obehwa battle so any the crucial nature of this election cry no it doesn't speak well of the government. And to me dear cause on the president should be bold enough to say a year opening.
That wow, we think the president is not bold. This is a decision the president says. Why now can't send a meeting and then abaso and also almost say papa no the exceptional credentials and dedication spanning 30 years omufi say ebia omushe and some be cost ni meeting be on my omufi say abi you to say
when you IGP
people have sworn brimstone and fire say so the second IGP the beto ebesi o memwa egufa do hwe na BBC ana etu officer ebia na adwuma na ye opone kakra ma ebia na adwuma no doso ebia by report from the commission IGP ebia na adwuma na broso
ene ye COP in charge of operation that day
asante wo how ono na mampani oye mampani Ghana mampani or appoint to obi a with consultation or whatever, he can even deny that consultation and make an appointment. Okay. He appoints and disappoints. Why? Yeah, bottom line. The Obia can you bet I don't hear good win. But say on IGP did not bold near there. Me, I don't think that's the issue. The issue is Johunu is the IGP deputy.
Why a deputy?
Okay. Let's get the experts and find out what they also think about it. What you need? What about partner to say? Mami fa we twam quickly na memra won chen na mentie won so na sani anopa won sia ye mfe de eno aso me da wase ohini woni kuku a oye ma ne ye fe na me di ma woda me mani kura chese na mani atete
ye de udi ma
chese watch bi a mode be che me woni kuku a obi ato ne de na chese kwan a mo fa so oh madam asebati
e di a wo so udi ma ye
na ye ma na ye me fe pa. Yeah, and right be a Formula Hospital. And now the Kobe, and Rasu Kumu, no nine, or Kobe. You see, I Kumasia the hospitals there, and your sentimentema, Yenini na. Accept 2024 election results. Jen Mensa tells parties, Obobo ya munyuntum, on Pede debia, Usayabu Boni. Eh, Jevesa. It's difficult for parties to put manifestos aside and solely adopt NDPC plan. Ekufo-Addo say National Development Plan Committee and our commission say you can say no kwa no bi amfanya adwuma is difficult because commission betimi akoya ade bia beto na omampani no wosususu ye ne omo de enkosa e just say eden ye be hwe no so na fei Tampuri Alasa Tampuri and all Kasa say, anyone pa the Deputy Minister of Transport say, Chese, one more say, no money and Sabia wa Sirena a quarter parliament and commodity cose. So we a parliamentarian, we a minister. Yan toss Irene mo be and see the castle. One more bang, when ya mo be a quine. MP. Kwesi adame me da wo so obo sare obi agina nchen amanfo aye wo mo papa na no ena Tampuri si free Ministry of Transport a minority led committee enom the suggestion by na minority for no ye nyachom e ba ya Ghana for ba no makose what said dia say wo mo ni mo hwe me why wo mo so na tena se a o mo kra na ne doso our committee one more must say the call say come the koto abamba bi anim no ma ye ne say we a minister and now we a judge and now we a parliamentarian na who driver we need speed limit
so we need speed limit
you drive without speed limit and you use siren ministers members of parliament and judges it you two car no ba oni speed limit or the car ball crana Ghana mrama no kwan so oni speed limit wo giranche mo metwam se munu wei awahiri ni akwa aba medofo ma mentie wa no fe
you bra em say bambo hu nsem no de yen hunu do so chen de ye hunu
kre
na dan kwa Akufo-Addo no ye commander in chief
that's right
ye ba beto aba
Sompa FM
eniema ekoso bambo aso ye no yen ayetie yi bia de te say ye bowere ayetwa ena ye
ba talking cry
ena ye hu dodo no mu
that's right
enti ofi se sa abre wo mu no se tetenya wo nu ebeba be ka ho na beboa why not ye bambo ene yasum dwe ne ye hwehwe want to me fa obi ya bambo en compromise sebi son bia obi nso selfish interest enti ono no oyema mpanini ye sekekafo a eka de madam pan se nyame amfa fie na bibi ba na ebodi guni tiri so se na adan kwakufu ado abre so a eguni tiri so enti ovi said sa abre we no se beboa me amitie no ma me maye lewu ma no nyame na me ko kire mu ponamu akoyi mu akase me de minima no se me ma me anyam na wawo na menuani yayi nipa no watumi ahwe me ato aba na sumdwa aba so obi ye boduo so obi ye timidio me nko sirem na ensuo 20 no omudi nkuto asidan me bedu kuma se awia na ebo no minima asem asi ho enu nti die papa na ye no me de mini asem bi aka wo mu do mu hunde do so che de ye hu
eno so de no kre
enti bia wo mu no mu nim de enti a wo ma ye san hyehyeye no na minum se wo mu ye de ama wo man no interest ya sumdwe enti se ye be tabenya ne ya to ya ba na wo ya de wadi ne nkunim na wo ya nso a wo nso so
o ka about to ejemen sa se odo baba na o nyintum
se ne se sa na obeka no o se ensusu aso ne ba na onyintum be do ba boye ya to aba no ena Ghana ba na ye to no police station ho no
ene ye to no
ade no so the TV so bi erebi etu ya no ti chinchire to aba ko jan lolo kwaso akoto bo akosi ka akoba eduru wa mema no to gina ho tweo Sompa ebe ebe sam fa me ho me sa ta me duru ama fa me bag ko me kura ase me kwa report across board ye nwie ni cry ameme mai
ye di cry we shout
eti ni wo me tachi mai ye madwuma to ya so ntia so ba ko gina lolo kwaso a ho de wono anasem ti ma me je mensa no so o kan sa no on kan sa se ye bobo ya obi anyintum ya beje atum wo bra ye nyina hunu se fanfan ye aye adwuma
ono so fa pepe ye ne fine
sa na se ono so wa etwan bi sei na ni de pa se we se the way as we na ni ato ncha wo ye adwuma no ye me sa
sa abato de wa mo ni anya dira na bibi de NDC wo mo ye ize
wo de ko ha
wo ye we a wo msi wo a wo ne na de a in bed
ne toto Charlotte se ho a maami wa shock mi mom oba no na me fi se chese se wanya mreketwa kra we ni ato nchepa eti se de o kan o mo beje atum
nyina so se form a lawyer for
ebe ye enhyehyɛ ya wo nso ma wo de be wo ye no ena be mo obi eti
no anko bo ma miensa
yesre
bo figure we no abo figure we
na figures na nso se ne se person na sei a efri na ye koya wonye ni yi na won hye no hunu figure ni na wabo no koye se mabo we makobo we dia this time around no enkrofani abriu
election we dia can say crossroads
nyaminti
because oyin unim election we MPP person omo ko manimo NDC force so person omo ba
history
will be made na ade ehun ni say NDC stands at a critical point say on say for 2012 to 2024 in VSNI 2012 to 2024 12 years spanning it has been one phase John Mahama if John Mahama loses these elections he cannot come again there should be a new face
adai say no one dey obe
me muso asebo enti John Mahama election will lose a NDC for besa akase omo de neighbor 2028 aba
so why not
oh come on emfa oyin ni emfa enti akwai to say win this for us
akase na nadugu adak ayimukura am hwi
na say John no kai
enso say adwuma
say John no kai o all the make sure no and we need cross 2028 say it's also even dicey for NDC they have to choose a new face the dynamics are there. We'll look at it. A few elections, you know.
History.
Abako semno bebre. Na mamini komo we. Honorable Peter Tobu, a former senior police officer. Na yene no education command pay. Honorable, good morning. Check it line, mommy. Honorable Timinka. Hello. Oh, let's get Honorable back on the line for me. Now, minority in Parliament. Let's say almost buying. School feeding for. Hey, forgive me. Free senior high school suppliers. Abani de omuka 6 billion. Ontuyama omo. No bread. Let me go to the lines. Honorable, good morning.
Good morning.
Mete on kapa na what to say?
Yam not me ho ya pa na mo say.
Yes, ya ho ye. Honorable
Mr. Speaker. I'm in your house.
Aye. Order. I don't pay. You need komo appointment to be aba. Another Kwakufuado say police council try a meeting. Tate Yohunyu COP Onkoya deputy IGP in charge of operations. Every man dream you almost say IGP to me na ya pony who ajiamanu na and now say one be here say for the first time I met deputy IGP. Government say our director of operations wo I want to see COP. Na we want him dear with police and to you no. Asemi who can say now who is saying.
Me about me that my main for kwanya was na me share for you na. Na me ma mini penny Commissioner of Police, now Deputy Inspector General of Police Operations, Mr. Christian Tete Yohunu, the Trinkwa. I congratulate him. He deserves the appointment and he deserves even better. If he said, why is more than 3 decades? Now, me kai time I know what Accra region, you are boy, and so I didn't be a Director General Operations, or be a Director General Motor Traffic and Transport Directorate, or be a Director General Administration, CIA. Deputy IGP operations. Me say maniso pa manage, but adi ba kwa I want to say me shadow emrakwa President Nana Adeakye Abia the UC. And maybe I show police now 2 positions directly behind the IGP. You were deputy IGP operations and there were deputy IGP administration. And the other one deputy IGP administration on a penny followed by deputy IGP operations. But I'm worrying. At the number of by police, no, the unitary command, I have command and control the mind. So it's you and your and I decided to say, yeah, whatever it is, yeah, and 2012, and the police before the constitutional instrument got to parliament said, yes, send your police better than to a platform. And then almost every neck from 2012, yeah, IGPR. We are going to have Deputy Inspector General of Police, period. So compare regulation 7 more in 2012 CR 76. Regulation 7 and 8, we are doing American. So in fact, and now President Kajan say Oma appointment no. Or can't say Deputy IGP operations. And I say but they are free from 2012 everything. All the acquirity. You are taking us backward. I don't know. I have to say the sir. We should be making progress. And this is a very progressive law. Police upon Nientia, so near President here and we don't have any law and we don't have any position in the police. I have vacant, I have a deputy IGP president. And it can be a creation of law. But say, Emra want to say, you are Inspector General of Police, and I Deputy Inspector General of Police, and I shadow officers, commissioners near there. So Deputy Inspector General of Police Operation they need to. So I don't know where the police council got it for how to president for so and they just appointed Deputy Inspector General of Police in charge of operations. Is it that you call a TBU say appointed and you appointed Deputy Inspector General of Police in charge of administration? So Nippon occupy administrative position or better than senior to Mr. Christian Tete Yohunu, and that will cause a disaster in the service. So I don't know what it is. I don't know what it means. So mistaken so they are more correcting in them because you need position there Deputy Inspector General Police in charge of operations. You need to be there also.
Now
the only law is Deputy IGP.
Honorable Peter Tobu, before this appointment, who was the Deputy IGP?
Peter Chomedase. Tell me, Mr. Asante Pitu, me Papa Babi Obiamichiao. He appointed Mr. James Opombuanu. Now that position that was vacant that check. I'm saying Mr. Alasa occupy that position no da. And so IGP.
Okay.
And what you know, Yanfa Obia and the President Nana Kufuaduna. or appointed Mr. James Opombuanu as Deputy Inspector General of Police. I also supported Mr. Asante Petridge.
Okay.
So the same person coming to appoint the Deputy Inspector General of Police and then the operations account. I don't get it. And I don't know which law is operationalizing.
Okay. In this case, no, Deputy Inspector General of Police, no, not operations in Kaho.
Yes, a Deputy Inspector General of Police.
It is a CR now, the other Kaho. Does that mean, say, IGP? Ne 2 may be a free in Sana.
Oh, that the IGP, the police, no, you have a unitary command. Who is Deputy 10 crashing as here? Muna, authority no action in some. He is the man in charge.
Okay.
Yes, he import direct. Who is Deputy in charge one, and the unitary command, the backstop with the Inspector General of Police.
Okay.
So, Deputy at one point and affecting the authority of Abia.
Okay.
But what we are saying is that the law says appoint a deputy IGP to support the IGP.
Okay.
We don't have any deputy IGP operations or deputy IGP administration.
All right. My two are Semeda paper. Okay. Assembly in say in charge of operations, no. Deputy IGP but don't say it is silent because Omo appointed. But on na me who say ebi wo ho no na ayi obombo anukura no obeye bi
Asante Petu cha
ansa na wo ba beye ayi IGP na mu eti e wo ho me na meti asa menti bi da but wo ma ye hu se e wo ho na bom yemfa operations in ka ho e deputy IGP but omo director of operations Somase but we no why no in charge of operations or see based on ne nim dia ne hunu mu on say Tobu kase papa no o deserve it even better echewe which means that Tobu fi say operations no any omo emane meye synchronize say e be a deputy IGP in charge of operations and no need the title no but no fi say one say now the administration no so ba the administrator is ahead of the operations
now man no say IGP sa tetenyo hunu me the minimum say rank no wonka oko police mi nyane
and not just who have crowd we no crowd or so chair
and that is me worry say you but Tobu say it doesn't take any powers away from the
yes,
IGP. That's what it's saying.
So no so
yeah be the same thing but them can say operations now more can also make us say now minimum say director of operations, director of logistics, director of chaplain
so I'm say we the operations now be share to yohununsa the now obesho operations no report to IGP.
I say papa no so anyini bibi amfiri ni nsem still no
they what I say now he's going to take charge of operations in Ghana no report to IGP. The IGP will be in the known. Ne how no say nya na djuma so na tie ti anajo o se check on na no wonder oni ni nya no aro ade sa na
IGP
boku ase
won tete nyonu so mo kapa o
yes
and Zadie we be cause consultation bi ankos
oh yes na say I one of the henchmen one of the henchmen. So people should not look at it from an angle so I say about to be teeny ade. Now why in this Irene no mama gente ho baako.
Yes Ali. Ai.
I said.
Any abiri.
What was say? Ko mo dem rebi go parliament. Ba ben kra so onya we.
Said.
What was say we ye ma kwan ma minister, judges, any MPs. A weekend omutimi ko year 5. Omutumi adwuma omo ye no na nke ma omo sare ne ye ma omo into car without speed limit tika 50 kilometers per hour no obetuma ko 200
one of this answer ne ko
nya no na minority for no ebe ka say yen withdraw e na alasa tampuli be ka kire omo say mo committee eje ministry ayi committee bi omo trance na mo ye nhyehyeye ena you wo ayine wo na wo da no former Dr. Dominic Ayine wo na wo da no na mutu sa na mo no
to America
ewie ya makose hot se ne asemu ni mo hwe o se ye Ayine subsidiary legislation committee o na da no on a chairperson. Now NDC for doors to crash NPP for. Eti among for you free mu say Ministry of Transport, a Siamananka, a day corner, or so many Mushi. You a parliamentarians. And I don't say that parliamentarians be defending. If you must so year 5. Eti amount to be 200 kilometers per hour. No kuye. Wait. Wait, here. It doesn't, isn't even necessary.
Oh my media.
Oh, God.
Me NDC for MPs, no me na everyone. And me no me kind. Baby, I ayeni as all patcho. On why I judge me say 1 year me. Because for me, on my move some dream pass MP, you see sorry I make a question make us say me who bonye won.
American.
What is irony kwe?
Ti. Say any MPs go say judges.
Dear me person me can say.
Your man we mu.
Asante. Omon say. They see Obia you su Land Cruiser. Or siren.
Esika for be break.
I authorized.
Omoni me say any authorized. On person me authorization. Ya o man mu ha. Private people like aso for money nyina. Omo go kwaka police for omo say. Enti say ye MPs. Omo MP ba ko so bibia nsi na o free mu a. Omo ne bre. Enti no.
Amerikatuo na e.
Na me say Amerikatuo no na e better but omo hia sa bambol on the motor because your memu some MPs be road
accident as a president so accident but what I'm saying is say it's a niema way sabre way e needless
on my some hia but the mekan say emran ye sha nka say na dey adwuma.
Very good, but Asante,
me MPs
they are all to say pa speed limit.
Omo anya atwum, especially the minority no me na akwafa we nyina, but because I dey kura ba bonte no, ama bonte ma public no kura nye de bia grade. Omo dey ba na ma san fa kire. Ese do munim wo.
For political experience.
And na me make say me. Wo buka say MP nya sare a enye bone. Judge sebe mpanifo pi. Wo so wo man no na say wo sare wo ne kan ho a. Say speed limit na wo kan no. O man one about communication that is your own.
As I remember,
and me, who
275 now the MPs say MPC co program. Now MPs bear 30. Omuko a select committee on finance. No be at the camp. Now when are they?
My pacho. Sorry, no crying me be an but where quite demuno.
That's quite the muso be a traffic no be.
On mine.
Say traffic no mudim bia on be semra be ye kwan ama kwan ni wa baya mo bia kwa only traffic so.
Say MPs na do there omo do.
What you do on mama ne not double no fam but
no
tibi ye wo mra bi on ma which say my MPs and na Kenya for MPs wo mo gigi sika twitwire dia afa na omu dwane no afa na Gen for no shase ko he Kenya that's total time omo disika sisi o mine no a be say sa MP say ye ma no
MPs be ni sare
enye no ba me say sa dede no
enye ma MPs bi nya for
police for no kra no omo check sa ne ma no a obi ti Land Cruiser ma pr ni ama ne ko no pr obehem kra de bi asomọ boy bi akotu ni papa ka na pr no de ko no that thing should stop ya so ifunu so ama ne bon o mamu ha de bia ye di traffic so a e wo se ma kra bi ko ti Land Cruiser pro. I am rasa was but police ni jama na ko.
Suppose ni nyina dwuma yi enye nipa na
very good. And today imagine 275 MPs. E bia 10 ko ba bi masa. Africa de yesama o mu 2 car without speed limit. E dey asem.
Yeah, MPs for no. So
we are responsible for anyway.
Omo ye omo dwuma yi a nka amanfo yani mre sa de wi ho. What is
it?
So
it has nothing to do with Jumaye.
Because
it has nothing to me there. How can you drive without speed limit? Yama MPs in driving without speed limit. Now they are same way the way ko. Yama 275 MPs no siren. Judges, ministers. All the other. It's complete nuisance.
275 MPs no. Population.
How they imagine say Kumasi MPs 43 MPs or one Ashanti region. One more back. Now you are more siren. Ashanti
the only thing they want to avoid traffic situations. They
make down here. But say ya kwani ye. Shambrana ya kwani ye. Na mumbai. I'm young kwanta 5 lanes. Obi e ko hwa na be boss siren. Why na be boss siren? Me busaw. UK MPs, so many Ghana MPs.
Sunua Dumesa, your community ning na pavement.
Ah, omo ye. Ye ma me gas am.
Why we are
Ma me busaw asem. UK. Omo tra bicycle so kra kwa atwa.
In the Netherlands.
Netherlands. Ko share yi, ada omo ye MPs che omo. Ya so ye MPs omo tima ye de. Honorable. Ye mo ma djuma ye no omo kwa omo ko lord over us. Asante so ne ma bi so. Too much. We have pampered them so much. MPB on man, what did 20 years? One year be beer on the bottom. Go voter region, go ahead. Go Ashanti region, ha. Voter region MPs. Be a complete waste. They say voter region. Ashanti region MP be on man because I have stronghold in tea. I don't know how much our central region. They are doing it.
Abusing it anyhow.
Yama omumrano, they are doing it. MP ba also be action hono besne. Why?
Oh my. I
thought to me I ho yam no crack. They say one more withdraw. One more hunu nyansa withdraw. Entwa so. Ekosi say she has.
Oh no monto monyo na.
Friendly.
Enu amomo sika bo bia dey
Ghana rose are risen. Be quiet.
Our roots. Me makope nyomo no lyrics.
Our roots. E me che enyo.
Oh, Debbie. Enyo bia na betima de obetimi de adidi obi atem. Debbie. O se omo se oak tree no. The oak tree no.
Je to say our roots. Yempe me.
I don't want to nyomo lyrics.
Me say me pe adai.
Who did obi atem?
Why dey na time?
Localized version.
Hello, Asante. Asante na dey yenka pidgin.
Pidgin.
Se si ameba. BBC woman the pidgin.
Pidgin no.
Arise, arose, arisen.
Our roots.
Yempe. Be quiet and don't be silly.
I was say be silent, be quiet and don't be seen. The roots.
Oh yeah,
Nana want to.
They are tono. Hey, oh dear. Where has ni?
Why?
The mechanic.
Where has ni? Be quiet and don't be silly. We are the famous house of folk. We never say. Okay, we are the continental masses. Who are you? Yaji Confederation Cup and Fruits. The last century. And you know what I'm saying? Confederation Cup Fruits. And why you be afraid?
They won't cry away, no.
Why you be afraid?
Magic has.
Africa. Yeah, Africa. Magic. Momoji abejimi bre.
Magic.
Champions League magic da. Change Africa Cup. Change your name.
Trophy.
Champions League magic da. Oh, asma busa oyiman. Why the Champions League da?
Enya no me say na Ghana league match say no on my baby I no go na de na mo
me say what the champion ye di koma ye busa kwese what the Champions League da
what the league say
league Africa ajibako okay what the Confederation Cup da
the whole Africa
people say the whole Africa Confederation Cup what you be da
team say almost every year that
Asante Yabua me say what the Confederation Cup da
me say enya Confederation Cup kwa na dey assessment where mu ji nyina no last 100 years club wa Africa
I monfa
now you kodoko
monfa ye dey amamo but the person can say wa court ya buso asem
enya wa me wa asem na buso asem wa me no anya asem buso asem me say was oh yeah
arise arose arisen be quiet and don't be silly we are the famous house of folk. We never say that House 11 is a mighty team. House 11 is a mighty team. House 11. We are the continental masters because Yaji Champions League, Yaji Confederation. When you be that, what you be that?
And a Cup Super Cup.
Cup Super Cup. Yaji three. What you Cup Super Cup?
Enra say come when you say nkefia.
Yempa na wedding cup we.
Music cup be a made. And a magic Confederation made. And a magic ekosi say.
CNN rating we are say. Top 10.
Yeah, baby.
2000. Top 10. We are number 8. Number 1.
Now me see the whole Africa.
The whole world.
The whole Africa. The last 100 years.
Massa. They rated the whole world. They have to 8. They want to Africa.
Continental has the Ben has.
Adia.
Africa.
Mickey Sadano. Adia. Sevu Real Madrid. You know. SAS.
Yeah.
Kekose Real Madrid. Sayano. House of Folk. We were going to Intercontinental and SAS G Real Madrid.
Democracy Cup.
The Democracy Cup. Democracy Cup.
In this region,
Sompa Sport for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world. Are you